truck. Gattu and Chinky were very happy since morning because it was Sunday and there was no school. Papa was relaxing on the sofa reading the newspaper and Mummy was busy making a special Sunday breakfast.
Chinky, do you know Raju has found a new place to play behind our colony? Really? Where? It's near Vicky Motor Garage, where lots of old cars, trucks and other vehicles are just lying around. There's a big field near there. Yes, I have seen it while coming back from school. Those cars look so fascinating to me. Me too.
Just then, Papa's mobile phone started ringing and he put the newspaper aside to answer the call. Hello Keshav, how are you? What? When did this happen? You don't worry. We will find a solution. Yes, you come over for lunch this afternoon. Listening to Papa's conversation, it seemed like there was some serious issue. Mummy also came out of the kitchen. Gattu and Chinky looked at Papa curiously. Then Papa explained to them, Do you remember my cousin Keshav, the son of aunt living in Kanpur?
Yes, the one who invited us last Holi to his house, and he also made amazing dishes for us.
Yes, the same one. He had completed an MBA in marketing, but his hobby has always been cooking new recipes. But now he told me that he lost his job.
So suddenly?
Yes, the company was going through some losses, so they closed several branches. About 20-25 people including Keshav lost their jobs.
He must be really worried then.
He was. I've invited him over for lunch today. I'll ask my friends if there are any job openings in their companies. Maybe we can find a solution. Gattu and Chinky had always seen their papa helping others, and now both the kids were also becoming helpful, just like their papa. In the afternoon, Keshav uncle came over for lunch. Gattu and Chinky helped Mummy set the lunch table. What have you thought about doing next? Brother, I don't want to look for a new job. I want to start my own business. I have a plan to open a food joint. Hearing about the food joint, Gattu and Chinky became very interested in the conversation. I have some savings. And as you know, I've always loved cooking different recipes. I just need to find a good place where the business can do well. But setting up a new food joint will also cost a lot. Renting a new shop, furniture, salaries for 2-3 assistants, raw materials. It's a bit of a risky business.
I have an idea.
Hearing Gattu's voice in the business discussion, Papa, Mummy and Keshav looked at him in surprise.
Why not open a food truck instead of a food joint?
Food truck?
Yes, Papa. I have seen in a movie they modify a truck in such a way that you can prepare all the food items in it. Everything is managed in a very small space, and also it doesn't require any employee to run it.
This is actually a great idea. And the concept of a food truck is very popular among young people, especially near colleges and offices where young employees gather. Actually, that's true. And also setting up a food truck will cost less than a food joint.
And once people started liking your food, you'll get many online orders too.
Yes, Gattu has given a fantastic idea. But where will we get an old truck at a cheap rate?
I know where.
What? How do you know?
I have seen it while coming back from school. Vicky Motor Garage. They have many old cars, truck and bikes just lying around.
Keshav uncle had never thought that kids like Gattu and Chinky could help in setting up a new business. Gattu and Chinky first took Keshav uncle and Papa to the Vicky Motor Garage. There they selected an old truck which Keshav uncle got at a very cheap price. It's all thanks to Gattu and Chinky that we managed everything with such a low investment. Now we just need to modify this truck to make space for cooking and storage.
Chinky and I have found many interior design options for food truck from the internet. First, you should look at them and then decide what modifications to make in your food truck.
Hearing this, Keshav uncle and Papa looked at each other and smiled. Back home, Gattu and Chinky showed many interior designs for food trucks to Keshav uncle on the laptop. Based on his budget, Keshav uncle decided what modifications to make. The very next day, Keshav uncle sent the old truck for modifications, and in just 4 days, the food truck was ready in a completely new look.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Yes, now we need to think of a good name for it.
I already thought of one. Spice on Wheels.
This name is perfect. Our recipes are spicy, and this name gives a food truck vibe.
Then today itself, Chinky and I will design the logo and menu card for your food truck.
Yes, and by evening, we will get the licenses and permissions from the municipal corporation too. My friend who works in the corporation told me that our application has been approved. Hearing this, everyone smiled. Just then, the doorbell rang and Mummy went to open the main door. Chinky's online order had arrived. Mummy received the packet, which had Puntoon Kids written on it.
Hey Chinky, what did you order? I have ordered combo plush, squirrel and monkey soft toy from Puntoon Kids. Their quality is really very amazing and I want to use them for the food truck decor.
How will they be a part of food truck decor?
Just like a monkey knows where all the fruits available in the jungle, this monkey will be our menu boy. It will hold all the copies of our menu cards. Oh, nice. And what about the squirrel? The squirrel is a collector. It will hold the printout of our online payment QR code. It will collect all the payments. Wow, Chinky, what a great idea.
Gattu and Chinky decorated the food truck nicely. With their designed logo and name, Spice on Wheels was ready. Gattu and Chinky clicked some pictures of the food truck and posted them on Instagram and Facebook. Their friends shared the links and the food truck got a lot of publicity. On Sunday evening, Spice on Wheels started. Many customers came on the very first evening. The interesting way Gattu and Chinky had set up the food truck made it look very attractive from afar. And then, Keshav's recipes were so delicious that people loved the food. People praised Spice on Wheels so much on Instagram and Facebook that within a week, the food truck became a hit. The following Saturday evening, Papa, Mummy, Gattu and Chinky planned to have dinner at Spice on Wheels. When they reached there, it was already crowded with customers. Seeing them, Keshav himself came to meet them and said to Papa, "Brother, Gattu and Chinky are amazing kids. Their food truck idea, their decor and online marketing campaign, all this made my business profitable from the start." Papa and Mummy looked at their kids and smiled.
Then let's get the menu card from Monkey Boy and decide what to order for dinner.
Hearing this, everyone laughed. It seemed like the soft toys Monkey and Squirrel, sitting on the Spice on Wheels, were also smiling.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.